I often come across when I'm telling people about social media, it's like, oh, I have time for social media. The answer is you do have time, you just have to reallocate it. So here I am, this is my home office gym, and this TRX is my best friend. And for the longest time, I've always said, I don't have time to work out. So I've made time by attaching this guy into my ceiling. So I don't need to go to a gym. I can literally work out, literally in my house for 15 minutes. And that's what you have to do with your social media. You have to find a space and a place where you can do social media. 15 minutes might be spending it on LinkedIn, looking what everybody else is writing and commenting and sharing and connecting. That's a great use of 15 minutes. Another 15 minutes is going onto your business page and liking other businesses as your business and commenting on them. That's an incredible way of getting great backlinks. Another one is just going through your Facebook memories, looking who you befriended on this day and go back and reconnect. Look at the birthdays, connect with people, wish them a happy birthday or anniversary, and then create some authentic posts that are uniquely you during the day. I did a post this morning at 6:30 as the stars were disappearing and the sun was coming up. It's as simple as that to stay consistent, stay engaged. And you need 15 minutes. Ideally, I'd love 15 minutes every single day. If you could do that, you're on your way to being a social media superstar. So if you want to flex your social media muscles, give yourself 15 minutes and you'll be off to the races. Bye for now.